Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to calculate moving average Excel. To start, open the Excel file. Now, you are going to go to the Data menu. Here, click on Data Analysis. After that, in the pop-up window, select the Moving Average option, click OK. Then, in the Input Range field, select the data to average. Then, in Interval assigns the desired number. In Output Range, you will define the range where the average of the data will be seen. Finally, click OK to see the average of these values. Afterwards, you can create another graph using the average cells. This helps you have a better visualization of these values. Another way to use is to select a cell. Here, enter the function equal, average, and the desired range. When you click, you will see the average of this data. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.